You don't have money for ElevenLabs, but you want to do voiceover. I'm going to be showing you a free platform where you can do your voiceover for free, where you can convert your script into voice for free without spending a dime. So let's head up straight to my computer. Let's get that done. So go to this website called Google Studio. This is it. Just click on Google Studio. This is the first link here. You can click on it, or you can go to aistudio.google.com and you'll be there. So when you get to the platform, you click on Get Started. You see a whole bunch of stuff here. Just click the first one that says the Everyday Assistant. You can see it here. Click on it. Boom, and that is it. So now we're in the place where everything happens. So the next thing to do is to get our script. So let's get our script. I can just go to Claude or ChatGPT, anyone, and I can just say, write me a script of not more than 150 words on the effects of gambling. It starts with a controversial hook and then flow to the end, something like that. Just a short script. That's what I want. So to give me a script. So it's asking me a question: what platform is this script for? Of course, for TikTok. Hard hitting and serious. Yes, that's what I want. So this is just a short script I want to use to give an example of what I want to do. You get the point? So this is my script now. So I'll copy my script. If I copy the script, I'll go to my Google Studio. This is my Google Studio here, and I can paste my script here. Delete this one. I'll paste my script here. I can even like format it well, give you some space, give you some space, give you some space, give you some space. So I have my full script here now. Because it's a one speaker script. If it's a two speaker script, I can add another speech here, which would be like the second speaker, but it's just one speaker I want. You can see it here. To change the voice, you can see you can click on this piece here. This says speaker 1. Okay, I can click on it. A whole bunch of other voice will appear here for me to choose from. Or I can click on this part that says speaker setting. You can see it here now. So you can see different voice, the arc channel, the arc sheet, a whole bunch of them. So to preview the voice, just click on the button you are seeing here. So let me put my headphones so that it will not echo back to my microphone. So I fix my headphone and I can wear my headphones so I can preview each of these voices now. I click on this first one now.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
Are you hearing it clearly now? The second one.
What sparks your interest?
The third one.
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
Just look for the one you like.
Ready to make something amazing?
Ready to build something awesome today?
What kind of problem could we solve? Ready to build something?
What kind of masterpiece are we in?
What idea do you want to...
What do you want to explore?
So I like this Sharon here. So I'll click on it. If I click on it, that's off. Go ahead and click this button here that says run. Hope you can see this button here. Click on it and allow it to run. Your voiceover will convert from text to audio now, and you can use it for your video or any project you want to use it for. So just calm down and our voiceover will be ready soon.
Gambling does not take your money.
So you can see it now. Our voiceover is ready now. So we can play it now and see how it sounds.
Gambling does not take your money. It takes your mind first. That's why millions of people lose everything and still go back. Because the casino is not selling luck. It is selling hope. And hope is the most addictive drug on the planet. Studies show that problem gamblers lose an average of 5 years of savings before they admit they have a problem. 5 years. Gone.
Hope you can see it now. Do you like the voiceover? Does it sound interesting? That's how to do it. If you want to change the voice, go back to Charon here and you can look for other voices. Under style, you can see different styles here. Vocal smile, Newcaster, whisper, empathic, promo, hype, and deadpan. For the pace, you can look for different pacings, natural, rapid fire. The accents, you can choose different accents. It's neutral, American. We have the American Gen, American Valley, American South, the British, the Australian. You can choose any of the accents you want here. For me, I leave it at American. You can come here and choose other voice. Let's say, for instance, you like this first one.
What idea do you...
Which is the art channel. I can click on it and come back and click on run, and it will change the voice from the current one we have to this new one we selected. So this is an alternative for ElevenLabs. You don't have money to pay for ElevenLabs subscription. Just come straight to Google Studio and get your voice over. So let's preview this new voice and see how it sounds.
Gambling does not take your money. Gambling does not take your money. It takes your mind first. That's why millions of people lose everything and still go back. Because the casino is not selling luck. It is selling hope. And hope is the most addictive drug on the planet.
And when you are done with everything, just click on this download button here. You can see it here, and your file will be downloaded straight to your computer, and you can use the file for anything you want to use it for. I save it to download here, and that is it. So you can see it now. I hope you understand everything clearly now. If you don't understand, calm down and rewatch the video again, and trust me, you will get everything. If you enjoyed this video, then you would like to watch this video here now. Go watch it now, and I will see you there. Bye for now.